Hi! In front of me is Oppo Reno 7 and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Cloner on this device. Firstly, go into Settings, then you need to scroll down and choose Apps over here. Following that, click on App Cloner and tap on one of your available apps, in my case Facebook. Then choose this switcher next to Create App Clone and wait. Over here, you can click on Rename App Clone and rename your app however you wish to. I will go with F2. Then save your changes by choosing Save, and now when I go back and try to access Facebook, as you can see, my app was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!